today. Welcome to Keto-alicious. This is day 3. Day 3, what an amazing day. I just got done eating breakfast. I just had 3 eggs. I put some butter in a pan. I put 3 eggs in the pan, and I cut up some avocado and I put that in there as well. So yesterday it was kind of an emotional day for me because I have not thrown myself in front of a camera through especially my body. I've not put my body through a camera on the other side for a long time, and so it was kind of emotional for me that day too. The first couple days have been really really hard for me. And so today I just wanted to, number one, smile, because I noticed yesterday when I posted that it was pretty serious, and I'm a serious person, but I'm also a very funny person. So I'm going to give you a lot of smiles today, and I'm going to try to motivate you today because yesterday I got a hard thing over with, and that was my before picture. And I also wanted to treat myself. So I went and got a little bit of a haircut, got a little bit of a trim. Love it. So it's easy. But more so than that, I wanted to take day 3 and I wanted to visit with you guys because I was going to eat with you, but I just got so busy that I had to hurry up and eat before I could even record this. So I'm sorry. I will eat with you one of these days soon. So I'm sitting in my office getting ready to download day 3. And I just want to give you a bunch of motivation today because I wasn't gonna weigh myself for a week, but I did. I weighed myself this morning and I'm excited. I have lost 3.5 pounds. So I have not had the keto flu yet. I have been loading up on Himalayan salt. Ooh, I love that. And don't be shy on that because that's really good for you. And I've also been taking magnesium oil. I just put it over the tops of my feet, and I've been taking a potassium pill because yesterday I felt a little bit achy, so I took that, and today I seem to be okay. I haven't had any headaches yet. I know that happens for some people, but I haven't had that happen to me yet. So with that said, I want to give you some motivation. I want to thank you for allowing me to come forward and to grow this keto-alicious dream of mine. I want to lose weight. I want to get to my healthiest and my best. Oh, I can't wait to do that with you guys. And I want to hopefully give you the motivation that you need. And I also want to expand Keto-alicious in videos. I want to not only have beautiful keto recipes, but I also want to give you tips and tricks that I learn. I want to give you my flops and, my food that doesn't turn out, and a funny story. And every time I do this, so I've made a commitment to myself to do this daily. I hope I get more comfortable with this. And I hope to start telling you guys stories so that as I'm cooking, you guys can hear my stories, or, something that I've experienced. I'm 53 years old. I have a lot of stories I need to tell to somebody. Anyway, so I just really, really, truly, I need you as much as maybe you need me. I hope that's the case, but I need you. I need to be accountable for myself. It's so easy to go behind the cameras and make all these beautiful meals because I love to cook, and you'll see that as this journey goes on. I cook all the time. I feel like I'm pretty good at it. But so I just want I want it to be so much more. I just want the openness and the ability to take you shopping with me, and the ability to have a day of crying like the first day. I mean, I was an emotional wreck. And there's a lot that goes behind that. When you hold all that inside and you hide behind it, and you hide behind your weight, and you hide behind all the emotions behind it, it can be very traumatic. And so for me, I think that's what happened. I just broke out, which is good. It's okay to do that, you're human. But so this is a good day. I am really, really excited for day 3. Today for snacks, I'll probably just have half a cup of cottage cheese and macadamia nuts, maybe a quarter cup of those, just plain, because today's a really busy day for me. And then this evening, I'm not sure what I'm gonna have. I don't know if we'll go out or not. So I'm really trying to stay with 2 good full meals. And then about 6 o'clock, I really take a look at my macros. I take a look at all of my foods that I have eaten, and I use Carb Manager for that. And then I really pay attention on what it is that I need to have, what I'm shy on, and then I kind of load up on that and drink a ton of water. I've been drinking half of my weight in water, which is hard at first. I just drink it first thing in the morning. I drink it after my cup of coffee. I drink it with my meal. I have one in between my meals. I have one, and I have a little cup that has a straw in it. So it's not pouring and drinking, because the gulping is hard for me to just keep gulping everything down when it doesn't have any flavor. And so the straw just kind of easily just brings it, and I can drink so much more and faster. So I've been doing that. What else? Today, is going to be, like I said, really busy for me, but I thawed out the chicken for the spatchcock chicken. I was going to make that. So I'll try to get that done in the next day or 2, because that's really yummy, and you can pick off of that, and you can make so many things beyond just having the chicken. So you can make some fast recipes, hopefully, to go, because I know you guys all work, and or you've got little ones at home. I mean, there's every excuse in the world why we don't lose weight. So my logic to this is, I'm one of those busy people, so I'll always keep that in mind, and I'll always put that, put that in perspective. So anyway, it's not going to be a long one today, but I wanted to fill your hearts with motivation, just to let you know that you can do this. You can follow the foods. I'll verbally tell you the foods I have every day. A lot of them will be from my recipe videos that I make, but they're not hard. They're easy. They're quick. Your family will love them. If you never told your family you were on keto, you probably would still be okay. They'll probably still eat everything. It's just vegetables and yummy cheese and, healthy, of course, salads and things like that too. But your family probably wouldn't even know. So just follow me. I'll try to be motivated in doing this every day. And if I find good deals, or I find things that help you save money, I'll most certainly share them with you. One great thing, if you want to keep up, because I keep up with this I'm going to do this with my videos, but if I forget something, I try to always put it in my definitions of my videos or in my blog. So today if you guys want to follow me, keep up with some of the things behind behind the camera, because there's a lot that goes on behind the camera. I'm going to put a little link in the description today, and if you click onto that, you can join my email list, and you can get kind of behind the scenes and see what's going on, because I try to keep every couple of days I try to send an email of what's going on, new things. So that's an option as well. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel, you guys. I'd love to have you as subscribers. Ring the bell up above so that every time I make a video, it announces to you that I've made another one, so you never miss anything. And if you want to follow, if you want to follow my day-by-day journey, and you've got questions down below on what I did with my day, or, you know, did you exercise, or what tips do you have for me, I'm going to keep up with that, and I'm going to answer all of your, you know, all of your questions. If you guys want a video of something, you know, if it's not too outrageous and it doesn't take too long, I'm happy to do that. So I just want to thank you for being here. Thank you for the beginning of my journey. As my videos keep going, hopefully they get better, and you'll start to have more visions and more scenery and different things like that. So anyway, I love you guys. I'm so glad you're here with me. Thank you for being on my journey. I hope I motivate you enough for your journey, and I will see you tomorrow, day 4. Bye.